Hey everyone, Jamie here from TechnicalCafe.com, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about some of PHP's built-in string functions. There are actually quite a few of them, and we're only going to talk about 5 of them here, but if you go onto the PHP.NET manual, you can see a bunch of the other ones that are available for your use. So why might you want to use a built-in string function? So when working with strings in PHP, oftentimes it's going to be the case that you're going to want to find the length of the string or how many words are in it. Or maybe you want to find only a particular part of the string, and rather than writing out all of the code to do this on your own, PHP has many different string functions that you can use to perform this functionality. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. We have index.php, and then we have a blank PHP file with our tags in it. So let's go ahead and declare and define a string variable. So let's say my string equals this is a string. Pretty straightforward. And let's say that we wanted to find out what the length of the string was, or how many characters are in the string. There's actually a function built into PHP called string_length, or strlen, and let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So if we say echo, because we want to print the result of this to the screen, let's say echo strlen, and we'll just put in our string. So let's go ahead and save this, and if we come over here to Google Chrome, we can refresh, and you'll see that we have 17 here displayed on the browser. And that's because if we come over back here to Atom, you'll notice that this string, if you were to count, has 17 characters, including spaces and punctuation. You could, however, if you wanted to, also go ahead and with many of these functions, just type in the name of this, type in the text in the string. So we could say this is a string. And if we were to save this, come over here to Google Chrome, and print and refresh, you'll notice that we get the same answer, simply because that's the way the function works. So if we jump back over here to Atom, our text editor, let's go ahead and learn about another function, and this is called string word count, and this is just going to return the number of words in the string. So let's echo this out. So we'll say str_word_count, and within the parameters here, we're just going to put in my string. If we were to save this, come over here to Google Chrome and refresh, you'll notice that we have a value of 4. And if we jump back over here to our text editor, you'll see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Another string method that we can use would be the string reverse method. And so you can do this by saying strrev. And then we just type in again our string, so my string. And if we were to save this, come over here to Google Chrome and refresh, you'll notice that our string is reversed and it looks a little funky. So let's jump back over here and we're going to learn about yet another function. And this one actually requires more than one parameter. It requires 3. And this is to return the substring within a string. So if we were to say echo substr for substring, and then put in our string name as one of the parameters, and what you're going to do with this function is basically just take out a part of a string. So let's say we wanted to take out the word this. So we put in the string that we want to reference here, so my string, and we're going to put in the starting position of the substring that we want to take out of this original string. In the case of the one here, where we have this, the t is at position 0, because many things in computer science start with 0, and the s is at position 0, 1, 2, 3. However, it's a little weird, but if you want to get the whole string here, if we were to just put in 3, and put our line terminator there, so if we were to say 0, 1, 2, 3, and come over here to Chrome and refresh, you'll notice that we only get thi, we don't actually get the s. So if we wanted to get the whole word, we'd have to put the character after the one we want, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and do that, and if we save this, come over here to Chrome and refresh, you'll notice that we get the whole word this. So that's basically if you wanted to, take out a part of a string for whatever reason. Maybe you want to get just somebody's first name or, something like that. You can go ahead and use the substring function. Another string function, and the last one that we're going to be talking about here, is the string position function. So let me show you what this looks like. So strpos is the function name. And the first parameter we're going to include is my string, or the name of the string, or the text of the string. And the second parameter is the word or part of the string that you want to find the position of. In this case, let's say that we want to find the position of the word is. So all we have to do is put in here in some quotation marks the word is. And if we go ahead and save this and refresh, you'll notice that the substring method returns a value of 2. And you'll notice here that the word is the second word in this string. So these are just a couple of methods that you can use when you're writing some PHP code. A lot of them, can be used for a variety of different things. So just kind of play around with them, see what you can do. It might not be apparent at first what you can do with these methods, but after a while of coding and depending on the application that you're working on, these might come in handy. And again, there are also a ton of other string methods that you can use if you look online in the PHP manual. So feel free to play around with this. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and feel free to tweet me at JamieMCG if you have any questions or just want to get my attention. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.